Hey, well, my starter finally came in. I only paid $5.17 for it. So I have an extra one for my 2005 Lincoln now. I got this thing with Microsoft Reward. Cool. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay. Here's the sales slip or receipt or whatever you want to call it. See what that says. Amazon. Okay, 4 out. Okay, and here is the starter. Okay, it's a box in them. This is what they do. Oh, very good. And the packaging is very important and good. They've got it wrapped in plastic. You want to keep moisture away from this stuff. Okay, let me see. Boy, this is beautiful. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, little thing's heavy. Pop, 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 popcorn glasses. Hold on. I'll put it back in there too. That's protection. Heavy little devil. Well, here it is. See, this is what goes in. Fits my 2005 Lincoln. I got this thing, man. God, for only $5.17. Because I got Microsoft rewards, for oh, what is it? Oh, yeah, $46 and some change. Boy, this thing is beautiful. It is beautiful. Beautiful. See, now I've got an extra starter for my Lincoln Town Car. Now let me get that package real tight. You see, it's possible. See, I'm putting this away now. It could be for years and years and years and years. Here we go. Back in this box. Close it. Shut this. Do this. And then on the top, the old trick to where you fold pieces and you know, that method. Well, there it is, people. There it is. Okay. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. Being that I'm older and things happen to people. I'm gonna open the trunk of that '05 Lincoln, and in the trunk, you have the deep part, but then you have like a shell that's back there. And just push that up in there. And then I'm gonna take a piece of paper, or I'll take that receipt, take a piece of paper and write on it. Actually, I can use one of these, and write on it. This starter fits this 2005 Lincoln Town Car with a 4.6 V8. Purchased it at an earlier time in the event I might need it. And then a person will think, oh, okay. It might get that car at an estate sale or something like that after I possibly die, or however that may work. And, it won't go to waste. That's how I'm going to do that. And they'll be, oh, okay. A box in the trunk. Okay. And then I'll write on the outside of the box, this starter fits this 2005 Lincoln so that they don't open the trunk and find it sometime and think, I wonder what this starter fits. You see, no, no, see, that way they'll know what it fits. Oh man, this is great. It's been a hot one out there. That sun's just now starting to let up, and let's see, it's 5:11. But I'm still not going to mow my lawn at this time. Nope, 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 nope. I'm going to wait till 8 p.m. because I'm not going to let that sun do that to me again. Uh, what happened to me yesterday to where I had to lay down in my neighbor's backyard and just couldn't move anymore? Saw in a video where that happened to a UPS driver, a younger guy, and he was like dizzy and he had to lay down on these people's porch for a while before he could get up and ring their doorbell and leave the box or whatever. And it was said it was because of the severe heat. Okay. It was just severe heat and that sun shining directly down, the way it was. Whoa, and stuff. So, well, I have a new starter on hand. I have a new starter. And a lot of people might think, but there's something I know as a master, long-time mechanic, in metals engineer, machinist. They think, well, that one's brand new. You might as well go ahead and put it on the car to last longer. No, not necessarily. No, no, no. Because this car is 20 years old. But the starter that's in it is perfect right now. And it's possible, see, that 20-year-old starter could last longer and be better than that new starter. Don't fix something that doesn't need to be fixed, people. So a lot of people don't understand. It's not a matter of if something's newer. It's a matter of is something better, So no, I'm not going to just go change storage, but I'm going to put that, leave that in my car. And I got it for $5.17. Microsoft, I thank you. I thank you, Microsoft. I thought Microsoft rewards point. I thought that was BS, people. I thought it was just. I've seen it for years. You have $10 in your Microsoft rewards account, and then again 20. And I'm like, yeah, sure, 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 sure. You know, I didn't believe it. But I finally, when I got one that said you have $46.53 in your Microsoft rewards account, well, I'm going to go ahead and check this out. I'm sure it's a scam. No, it turned out to be real. Turned out to be real. And so all I had to pay on that was just the sales tax. That's it. $5.17. Oh well, I love you, Almighty God. I love you, Jesus Christ.